Hey there, this is Vikas. Today I'm going to show you how to build a WordPress plugin using AI. To get started, you need to install Claude Code in your system and then connect that with your Anthropic account. So the instructions for that is provided in the Anthropic docs, and you can follow these instructions to install and get started with the API key as well. Next, you need to create an InstaWP site in your InstaWP account, and then navigate to local mount and enable local mount. Once that is in place, copy the server address, go to your Finder, connect to server, paste the server address. It will ask you for a username and password, and then click on connect. And we are done. So it should appear in your Finder under the locations tab as the name of the website. Next up is go to your terminal, navigate to /volumes, and then list the files. You will see there is Insta mount. Do ls, and you will see all your files right there and there. Now you can basically run Claude Code in this folder. So let's enter Claude, and it will try to initiate Claude for this folder. Click yes. So now it will have permissions for all the files inside the folder. The plugin which we are trying to build is a broken link email alert plugin. So this plugin allows the agency or the one who is maintaining the website to basically continuously scan for 404 links in the recent post and send an email to the webmaster. So let's scaffold the plugin. You can actually build the entire prompts step by step with any LLM of your choice. I used O3 in OpenAI to build this step-by-step prompts. All I wrote was I wanted to build a broken link email alert plugin. Can you give me a series of prompts which I can input in an LLM AI coding tool? And it gave me that. So let's paste this. We can give a set of context as well when we start. You are in the folder of a WordPress site, and then paste the instruction. So create a WordPress plugin name, blah, 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 include activation hook, which creates a weekly cron, etc. And then hit enter. So this is where Anthropic will do its thing, and it will start to create the WordPress plugin. The best thing about Claude Code is that it creates a plan which says to-dos, and then it will continue to start working on those to-dos step by step. And then it will ask you, do you want me to create this file? And you can scroll up and see the folder name or the path where it will create the file. And it will, if it looks okay to you, you can hit enter. Or you can also say yes and don't ask me again. This is what I love about Claude Code. Since this is a simple enough plugin, we are building on a sandbox, which is the beauty of InstaWP. There is nothing to be worried about. And I think our first prompt is done. Now, if we go back to our sandbox site, you will open the plugins, and we can see the broken link email alert plugin is ready. Let's activate it. All right, so the next is to create a settings menu. Let's copy the prompt, paste it in. Actually, you don't even need to create a series of prompts, to be honest with you. If you're building a simple plugin, you can just say, I want to build a plugin like this. Can you give me a plan? There is also a plan mode, by the way. If you shift tab and cycle to the plan mode, it will not do the coding for you. It will help you create the plan. And then when you say, okay, now we are good, and come out of the plan mode, and it will start to create the code for you, right? Now let's refresh this site. See, our broken link settings is there. Good. So we have an email recipient and scan frequency. How easy is that? Now let's see, when somebody changes these settings, weekly, daily, or monthly, we want it to change as well, right? Internally in our WP-Cron. So that should be easy to do, I think. It's just a simple setting. Next up, we have post crawler skeleton. So write the broken link callback, loop through all the published posts efficiently. You can use batches for each post, collect href found in the content, and then we will scan for 404s or 410s, etc. And then we can cache results, etc. So let's start here. And I think we can add one more line. All right, so let's copy this, go back to our terminal. This is ready. So there is no UI changes yet, but I think you can install the WP-Cron tab plugin. As a matter of fact, let's do that. Excuse me. So any of this, yeah. So that's what I was looking for from John. He's a great engineer. All right, so I think we can go to events and see how many events do we have in this website. There we go. So there is our one. So it says once weekly. Let's go to our broken link settings and change it to daily. See how it looks like. And go to cron events and once daily. All good. Now we are going to add that scanner. So paste it in, hit enter. All you need to do is think and hit enter, and it will do it for you. So super easy. I don't know if you need like plugins anymore. You can just build them. Obviously not the complex ones, right? Because building is easy, maintenance is hard, right? And also building secure and performant plugin is also hard unless you give instructions. We should have given that keep all performance and security in mind, which is best practices of WordPress, and it will do that for you, which we can do at the end of this demo too. So, and it will also there are tools within Claude Code, like it can run CLI commands. It can do URL browse. So if you want to say, go to this documentation, look for something and then code it, it can do that for you. It also supports MCP tools. So if you have, say, any MCP tools which you want to integrate, you can do that too with Claude Code. All right. So I think all the to-dos are done. This was a little bit of a bigger step. See how it goes. And if you are a coder or you know a little bit of coding, you can also go ahead and do a glance over the code base and see everything is going well. All right, so it says implemented the callback, base setting, efficient batching, etc., validation, the function stored collection. So it stores here, add a run check in the settings page to trigger this manually or on demand. And let's see, what is our next prompt? For each collected link, perform a lightweight. So I think that hasn't happened yet. So we should also put this and also the CSV builder, the email sender, and the dashboard widget. For now, I will build the URL checker, CSV builder, and email sender. And this is a manual check, which is complete. And in the meantime, we can continue to paste, and I can paste multiple prompts in one shot. So this is one shotting, right? You might have heard about in socials. What is a one shotting of AI? So now it understood that, obviously. All right, so that was fast. Almost everything is ready. So let's refresh this. We have a run check now. Let's go ahead and create a post with a broken link. Test post, and this is a broken link, right? And then just copy this and type something weird, 404.com. I'm sure this is not available, and publish this. Our post is published. Let's go back and go to settings, broken links, and run the check now. So it found one link in one post. Overall, we are in a position where we have what we wanted, right? We have the plugin of broken email alert with a locally mounted InstaWP site, which allows you to run any AI coding tool, not just Claude Code. You can use it with Cursor, you can use it with Windsurf, or any other AI tool. So, friends, this is how you can build WordPress plugins, themes, etc. using InstaWP WordPress site plus AI coding tools. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did during the demo. So until next time.